Are you confused between BSc, BS, MSc, and MS degrees? Which specialization has future demand? And how do you choose the right field for your career? Today, let's clearly understand BS and MS degrees, their specializations, and future scope in 2026. Hello, everyone. This is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to explore an important higher education pathway BS and MS programs. Many students choose degrees without understanding career opportunities, industry demand, and their own interest and strength. So let's understand here step by step. So, what is a BS degree? BS stands for Bachelor of Science. It is an undergraduate degree focused on science, technology, research, and analytical learning. It usually includes practical learning, research projects, and technical subjects. What is an MS degree? MS stands for Master of Science. It is a postgraduate degree that provides advanced specialization, research opportunities, technical expertise, and students usually pursue MS for higher level careers, research, international opportunities, and specialized industry roles. So let's explore important specialization with future demand in BS and MS specializations. First one, computer science and artificial intelligence. So, this area focuses on programming, AI, machine learning, and software development. So, what are all the career roles involved here? It is involved as software developer, AI engineer, data scientist, and cybersecurity analyst. So, the demand for this field is high due to AI growth, automation, and digital transformation. Second one, biotechnology and bioinformatics. So, this area focuses on genetics, biological data, and healthcare technology. So, what are all the career roles involved here? So, the career roles are bioinformatics analyst, research analyst, genomic data analyst. The demand for this field is growing due to medical research, personalized healthcare, and biotechnology industries. Third one, environmental science and sustainability. So, this area focuses on climate change, sustainability, and environmental protection. So, here the career roles involved are sustainability analyst, environmental consultant, and climate research assistant. So, here increasing demand for the field is because industries are focusing on sustainability. Fourth one, data science and analytics. So, this area focuses on data interpretation, statistics, and business analytics. So, career roles are data analyst, business intelligence specialist, and analytics consultant. So, it is one of the fastest growing field globally. Fifth one, aerospace and space science. So, this area focuses on aircraft system, space technology, and satellite system. So, here the career roles involved are aerospace analyst, satellite data specialist, and research engineer. So, this field is growing with space technology advancement. Sixth one, public health and health informatics. So, this area focuses on community healthcare, health data systems, and public health programs. So, here career roles involved are health informatics specialist, public health analyst, and clinical data coordinator. So, this field is having a strong future due to the expansion of healthcare. Seventh one, which means last one, robotics and automation. This area focuses on robotic system, industrial automation, and smart technologies. So here the career roles are robotics technician, automation specialist, and mechatronics engineer. So this field has high demand due to smart industries and automation. This is one of the most important decisions in right specialization choosing. So choose based on your interest and ask yourself what subjects do I genuinely enjoy What kind of work excites me? So choose based on your strengths, which means on creativity, analytical ability, communication skills, and technical interest. Third one, career opportunities. So choose based on the industry demand, salary growth, and future scope. Before choosing, attend the workshop, do internships, watch industry related content, and explore the projects. Think about research, corporate jobs, entrepreneurship, and international opportunities. The future demand for BS and MS specialization is increasing because technology is evolving rapidly, industries need specialized professionals, research and innovation are growing, data driven careers are expanding, sustainability and healthcare are becoming the priorities. In 2026 and beyond, specialized skills will matter more than the general degrees. Don't choose a specialization only because it is trending. Every field has some competitions. Skills, internships, and projects are very, very important. Continuous learning is also necessary. So, who should choose BS and MS degree? So, these are suitable for students who enjoy learning deeply, who are interested in research or specialization, who want technical or analytical careers, who prefer skill based industries. So, BS and MS degrees can open doors to highly specialized and future ready careers. But success depends on choosing the right specialization, building the practical skills, and staying updated with the industry changes. So, choose the field wisely that matches both your interest and the future opportunities. If you want to explore more future ready careers and educational pathways, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. If you feel confused about choosing the right specialization, you can find my career guidance form link in the description. Let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.